Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 7A, and today I'll show you how to enable the developer options on the device. So to get started, you want to open up Settings. From there, scroll all the way down to System and tap on About Phone. Here you should find build number, so tap on that 7 times. Now, if your device doesn't have any kind of locking method like pattern, PIN, password, fingerprint, any of these, and then it will just enable automatically once you tap on it 7 times. But for me, it's gonna pop up with a pattern, so just tap on it and you can see there is a pattern, so I need to confirm it, and then it gives you a message, you are now a developer. So if we go back, let's see if it's gonna be here. Oh, there it is. So developer options right here and the system. So you can tap on it, and here you have access to all the developer options. Now I would suggest to not flip any of these on or off, depending like if they're on or off. If you're not sure what they do, and some of them will, for instance, reset your device. Like there is OEM unlocking, although this one is grayed out. If you would, for instance, enable this one, it would actually perform a hard reset of the device. So what you can see, you have USB debugging, Wi-Fi, you have even animation speeds, like right here. If you want to mess around with them, although they're basically disabled by default apparently. So you have a couple things that you can change here. Like I said, just try to be cautious what you're changing, or look it up what it does if you're not sure. But that is how you would enable it. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.